Good day, sir. I am Mary Rose Bombita here to present OpenBravo Point of Sale. OpenBravo Point of Sale is a web-based point-of-sale application for retail and hospitality businesses. The application came into existence called POS. For legal reasons the application was renamed to LibrePOS. In 2007 LibrePOS was acquired by OpenBravo and it is known by its current name. The program is completely integrated into OpenBravo CRP application. Through this integration it is possible to update stock levels, financial journals and customer data directly into a central database when a POS sales is executed in the stores. OpenBravo POS can be applied using PBAs for order intake. OpenBravo POS offers a great option for business using a point of sales with touchscreen interface. It includes everything to manage your sales. This sales terminal provides everything you need to start a point-of-sale POS for every kind of business with the great advantage that can be used with touchscreen systems. It allows to do the following main transactions: sales, payments, closes cash, and some operation to registered customers. This POS program will create its own database or you can connect to the OpenBravo ERP's database. When creating its own database, everything will be included to operate. Besides, it will create users with different level of access to the different screens and sections of the program to provide a secure application. It features 4 administration modules: customers, stock, sales and maintenance. In these administrations modules all the information is managed and you can add, edit or delete suppliers, customers, products, users, warehouses, and in general all the information needed to operate this point of sales. Users are divided into administrator, manager, employee and guest. Administrator has access to everything including system and printer configuration, and the maintenance module, manager has no access to those configurations and modules already mentioned. The employee user only has access to sales, edit sales and payment main transactions, and guest just have access to sales screen. It also allows the use of barcodes and even can be used if the terminal is connected to a barcode scanner. It offers many reports, graphs and even is ready to use in a restaurant. Its GUI is excellent, and is entirely designed for touch screens but also can be used with mouse and keyboard. Its installation process is very easy to perform. Its documentation is available to download from its wiki section on its website. OpenBravo POS works in Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and Linux Debian platforms. OpenBravo POS is a point-of-sale application designed for touchscreens, supports ticket printers, customer displays and barcode scanners. It is a flexible and mobile point-of-sale. It can open new stores much faster and start new processing sales on new terminals in a matter of minutes. It can also adapt and integrate our solution easily. Lower your hardware costs by using mainstream devices. OpenBravo Point of Sale can also offer interactive customer assistance everywhere in the store. It can search products based on customer preferences faster. It develops promotion and price strategies. It can easily adjust prices and promotions to demand fluctuations. It can also open new stores faster and start processing sales in a matter of minutes, even with new employees. Empower your store staff with full point-of-sale functionality from a mobile device, which only requires a browser and can be used with different terminal sizes thanks to the adaptive design concept. Rapidly add products to the ticket in different ways, scan the product barcode, browse your retail product categories or search by text or by product characteristics. With product characteristics, you will be able to rapidly navigate through your catalog and assist customers to find those products that better match their preferences. Be informed about automatic discounts and be able to apply discretionary discounts depending on your permissions, with the possibility of requiring a supervisor's approval. Increase cross-selling with real-time information to sales associates about eligible discounts based on the current item's selection. And all this from your traditional terminals or from a mobile device. Gain maximum payment flexibility with support for multiple tender types and the capability to combine them in a single ticket, including multi-currency payments, cash, credit card, gift cards and vouchers, as well as credit sales and vouchers. Gain accuracy in your daily store operations with a comprehensive cash up and cash management functionality, including the use of denominations, management of pending tickets and differences, cash up report and cash up history in the back office, as well as cash in and cash out deposits and withdrawals movements management, including a reason for each of them, for tracking purposes and fraud management. This POS program will create its own database so you can connect to the OpenBravo POS database. When creating its own database, everything will be included to operate. Besides, it will create users with different level of access to the different screens and sections of the program to provide a secure application. It features 4 administration modules: customers, stock, sales and maintenance. In these administrations modules all the information is managed and you can add, edit or delete suppliers, customers, products, users, warehouses, and in general all the information needed to operate this point of sales. Users are divided into administrator, manager, employee and guest. Administrator has access to everything including system and printer configuration, and the maintenance module, manager has no access to those configurations and module already mentioned. The employee user only has access to sales, edit sales and payment main transactions, and guest just have access to sales screen. The autonomy and flexibility make POS a very useful tool to work in a restaurant. It allows to take orders at the table so at the end to have the food delivered with amazing speed of service, thereby increasing table turns and customer throughput. Most recently, restaurant software companies have taken advantage of the POS craze and their technology and have adapted their software to these devices. Screens have become larger and now can display entire menus. Some of the most important advantages: dramatically increased speed of service for your customer. Greater customer service because your servers/waiters do not have to leave the floor to place orders. OpenBravo is a point-of-sales POS software. It can be successfully used as a restaurant software, for keeping track of tables, orders and customers. It can be handled very well with a touch screen or a mouse. It can be configured for multiple devices such as magnetic stripe reader for quick cashier/operator login, POS ticket printers, ticket display screens and cash drawers. It prints order tickets, it generates statistical reports on sales by product, by cashier, by date range, and it manages product stock. OpenBravo POS may be installed on several computers while sharing the same product and sales data. OpenBravo POS system is free software, licensed under the GPL, so you may use it and modify it freely. It is based on Java, so you can use it on any Mac, Linux and Windows PC.